How do you loop through a Python tuple? Imagine having a list of your favorite movies or a collection of your daily tasks. Now, think about how you can go through each item one by one in Python. That's where looping through a tuple comes in handy. Tuples are a type of data structure in Python that store multiple items together. They are similar to lists but are immutable, meaning you can't change their contents after creating them. When working with complex data structures or core Python programming, knowing how to loop through tuples is essential. The most straightforward way to go through a tuple is using a for loop. This method is simple and very Pythonic. You just write the word for, then a variable name, the word in, and the tuple name. For example, if you have a tuple of colors like this, red, blue, green, you can write a for loop that prints each color on its own line. It looks like this: for color in colors, print color. This way, Python automatically takes each element from the tuple and assigns it to the variable color, then runs the print statement for each one. Sometimes, you might want to know the position of each item in the tuple. To do that, you can combine the range function with the length of the tuple. The length function tells you how many items are in the tuple, and range creates a sequence of numbers from 0 up to that length. So, if your tuple has 3 items, range will generate numbers 0, 1, and 2. You can then use these numbers as indexes to access each item in the tuple. The code looks like this: for index in range, len your tuple, print your tuple index. This method is helpful when you need both the item and its position. Another option is using a while loop, which gives you more control over the process. With a while loop, you need to set an initial index to 0. Then you check if the index is less than the length of the tuple. Inside the loop, you print the item at that index, and then you increase the index by 1. The code appears like this: index is equal to 0, while index less than length of tuple, print tuple index. Index equals index plus 1. This method is less common for simple tasks, but can be useful if you want to skip certain items or stop the loop based on specific conditions. When choosing which method to use, think about what you need. If you only want to see the items, a simple for loop is best. If you need to know where each item is, use the for loop with range and length. If you need more control, like skipping items or breaking early, the while loop can be your tool. Remember, all these methods work with tuples of any size and with different data types inside. Whether your tuple contains numbers, strings, or other objects, looping through them is straightforward and flexible. By mastering these techniques, you'll be able to handle complex data structures with confidence in your Python programming journey.